Abdul Rafai Sumro has emerged as one of the brightest batting prospects from district Jamshoro, finishing as the 6th highest run scorer in the PCB District Under-19 tournament in Hyderabad region. The talented left-handed batter accumulated 204 runs in 6 matches, with a highest score of 56, showcasing consistency and composure throughout the tournament. His elegant stroke play, solid technique, and ability to build innings made him a key performer for Jamshoro Under-19. Abdul Rafai's impressive campaign reflects his immense potential, and with continued hard work and development, he has all the qualities to become a promising cricketer for the Hyderabad region and beyond.